Hi, this is Pete at JDM Car and Motorcycle in Sequim, Washington. And today we got a 1993 KS4 Subaru Sambar with the supercharger. Somebody loved this little hot rod K-truck. They put 13-inch aftermarket rims on it. It's in great shape. 5-speed. No air conditioning, but I guess with the supercharger you're going fast enough that you don't need to. Great shape. Just got it in a couple days ago. No real dents or body damage. The only thing I noticed, it even has the cover on the battery. Does it look like somebody replaced the rear pan? Looks nice, or maybe they just painted it. And here's the best part: the supercharger.